Hey guys, and how is everybody doing today? Thank you guys for joining me on this short clip of a video. It's gonna be pretty simple, straightforward. Thank you for coming back to my channel, by the way. I really appreciate it. Thank you for the previous support, or the continuous support, I should say, and the previous support. Let me jump in. Let me turn the camera and jump in into today's video. Here's what we're looking at. We're in Phoenix, beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. It's amazing weather outside. I have the top off, obviously, and that's what we're looking at. That's the title. That's the thumbnail. I'm going to go ahead. I got this. Obviously, it's an issue with one of the C5s that the door panel clip falls out. Throughout the years, you're closing the door, opening the door, closing the door, opening the door. Eventually, and it's just plastic. Eventually, it's going to fall out. So I've got replacement right here. Let me open it really quick. When you're filming and, you know, got the holding the camera with one hand and trying to open it with one hand. But I got the clips from Amazon. You can just type on Amazon C5 door panel clips. And pretty much my other side, I got two for $10 shipped. It was free shipping. I'm like, okay, cool. So I got two $10. The other door is fine still. This door fell out. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and it just super simple. It just steps. Let me actually get a thumbnail photo right there. There you go. Okay, so how we're gonna do it is pretty simple process. And I got two. I'm pretty sure they're both the same. This one and this one. So these two are the same thing. So you don't have to worry about which one is right, which one is left. I'm gonna go ahead, I believe, and take it easy because these things, it's the teeth that break, not the middle part. Those teeth, because it's holding this under pressure, you know, and it just boom, boom, boom throughout the years. So they wear out. Okay, let me go ahead and insert it this way. So what are you gonna go ahead and do? Like, you guys can see, put the bottom. So if you go like this, and you gotta take your time with it. So see the middle clip in the middle right here. So if you go like that up top, it doesn't do it. Let me see, it's a little bit tricky with me holding the phone. See, it does it. So you're gonna go ahead and this way, actually. It will tell you, you will see which way when you do it. Okay, so this, the middle, sits in the middle. So you're not gonna put it like this. You're gonna go like this, then push it in. You know, you guys, you know what I mean? So you're gonna go ahead, put it in like so. Whoop, fell. Okay. See how I'm holding it right now? Like this at an angle. Like at an angle, then push it up like that. See, how is that done? And you're golden. And I got a second piece right here for a spare for either that door or if that happens again in the future. I got a second spare piece. That's it. Make sure it's flush and we are good to go. Job done. Close, open, still there. Simple video, but the tip is obviously you just gotta line up the middle. The middle one here, it goes in on the bottom like this. It's not like that, but it's like this, and you go at an angle like that. Then you push it from from behind. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Please go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Hit that thumbs up button, comment what you think. It really helps the algorithm for YouTube. Share my videos. I've got a lot of videos on this car and this build on my YouTube channel. Go ahead through the menu and the videos, scroll through. There is some ones that you might like on there. All the parts I got on the car, it's in my YouTube videos. There is links in there, everything. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. The bus is dropping everybody in my neighborhood after school. And today is Halloween, by the way. So happy Halloween to you guys. And thank you for the support. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.